Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Subaru Forester, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before starting the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start with the installation, we're going to use tack solution and apply it to the headlight, and tack solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we're using tack solution that we were able to tack down this section of the film first, and then stretch it and use slip solution around this area to reach to the other end. So keep it aligned, apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, and start tacking this section of the film down. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film, and then help it tack down. And then secure the rest of the panel up to around here. That way the rest of the film here, we stretch it to that end. So once we finish tacking down this section here, all we need to do is stretch the film to reach to this end, and that will help remove any fingers that we have on the top and the lower section. So for this part, just lift the film carefully, apply slip solution underneath the film, and on the edge here, we're going to apply tack solution to help it tack down more faster to the edge. To place the film, stretch it. You may need to place your hand here. That way we hold this section in position and just stretch the film to reach to the edge. So just stretch it, hold it in position, make sure it doesn't move, and you're stretching going upward. That way we help remove the finger on this section of the headlight. So hold it, and then spray tack solution on top, and then we're going to tack everything down with our squeegee. So hold it, focus on this area first to help it tack down little by little. Tack the top, and then work your way to this end. Make sure to keep it aligned as you go. You should reach up to here. And then to remove the fingers here and on the top ones, just apply tack solution and a little bit of heat and you should be good. Just make sure you hold it in position. So apply tack solution and then heat while holding it, and you should be good. So once you finish with the installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is post heat the entire lens. So all we need to do is apply tack solution on the top section of the tint, grab your heat gun, and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And also if we still have any small fingers on the top layer or anywhere else on the headlight, just apply heat, use your microfiber towel to help it tack down, go all around, make sure to remove any excess solution around the edges with your microfiber towel. Take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Subaru Forester. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.